Hi everyone. If you are working in tech, obviously you have encountered with CICD. So CICD is nothing but continuous integration and continuous deployment or delivery. So today in this video, I'm gonna show practically how this continuous integration and continuous deployment works. Especially if you are a data engineer working in big tech projects, you know how the CICD works. Or else, if you are a fresher who is looking for you know, a perfect video who can explain the CICD practically, so congratulations, this is the one you are looking for. You can see, like we are having a development branch. Definitely, if you are a data engineer, I expect that you know about the Databricks. So I'm using Databricks free edition to show this demo, and also I'm using the Azure DevOps for performing the CI/CD. Okay. So if you look here, we are having a this development workspace. Another I have workspace. This is the staging area, like staging or like in obviously in real projects will be having different environments like test, dev, production, pre-production. So this they will be having different types of environments. I'm taking here like we have development environment, staging environment, and then we have this production environment. So first we'll jump into what is continuous integration. Definitely. So this is the like obviously you need to create a workspace in your Databricks. After that, like in this workspace in repos, we need to create a Git repo. I have connected the Azure DevOps Git repo in this workspace. Similarly, I did staging workspace and development production workspace also. So how can I created the Git repos, Azure DevOps Git repos in three environments in repos. So if now I am going inside the Git folder, see you can see the pipeline. So here we are having a notebook. Sorry. So you can see I have already developed or wrote some code. Now this all like if you can see in remaining environments also the code is already already deployed. See, this is staging and this is production. Now what I do is I'll go to the development. I will make some changes here and see how now after making some changes I need to first commit it. Committing. So I will show you how we done that. As a developer, like you'll be creating a feature branch. So first we'll go to here main and then here we'll create a branch. We create, let's say FTA. Okay, so I'm creating a feature branch. See, we are in dev environment. Okay, so I think branch is created. You go back. See, yeah. Now this notebook is connected to feature branch, not in main branch. Now I can do whatever. I can play with the code, whatever as a developer, I will build, test, debug everything in this notebook because it's the feature branch. I am the only one who can access this. No. You can see we have imported some functions from VoiceWork and then we'll be reading like we are reading the data from a file and then we have written data to the I have wrote the data. So what I do is I just read df dot. See now I wrote the code and I sorry not defined. Okay, let's write like I have wrote the code. Sorry, we need to run everything from R. So what is it? It will start the serverless. We'll use the serverless cluster. Let's see, this one is completed. This one is completed and now display is running. See, you can see now you have the data. You can see the data. So let's say that's it about my code in the development. Now I want to raise the, I want to merge this in main branch. So what I go is I go to this, I click the feature branch. See, now this will show what are the changes that I made, right? So this is the empty cell that we have. Let's we don't want that. I'll just delete this empty cell. Okay. Now we'll go to commit this. Yeah. So this is the code that we changed. So that's why this is the only one we can be seeing in the changes. See, modified. This file is modified. Let's write some commit message. Display data. So see, now I'll commit and push. All the changes that I made has been saved in the feature branch called feature Jani. Now to make changes, like to make, to merge these changes into the main branch, we need to raise a pull request. See, after committing and pushing the changes to the feature branch, it will ask to create a pull request to merge the changes into the main branch. So if I click this, it will go to the our Azure DevOps project. Azure DevOps repo. Create a pull request from here, or else we can directly go to the DevOps repo. So this is the Azure DevOps repo we have. See, this is the Databricks CICD. This is our project, and you can see here. This is our file that was like the changes. This is the file that we have committed and pushed in this repo. See, after committing and pushing the changes to the feature branch, see, we can see here that feature Jani create a pull request. So we need to just create pull request. It will ask just the data. Okay. So in real world, like we can add if any needed to, like if any reviewers needed, we can add that. No, just do it. Okay. So pull request is created. Now what you need, just you need to approve it, right? And then complete merge. So this is continuous integration. So what happened is, we'll go to repo, project my folder. So you can see the changes here in main branch. See, the code is now merged into the main branch. Okay, so till now all this process is actually called continuous integration, because at a time now like many other developers also working like in their feature branches. So they will also push their changes, commit and push their changes and create a pull request, and those changes will also be merged into the main branch, creating a pull request, right? So this is continuous integration. Like everyone can work on their task at parallel, and then can merge whenever they complete. So the main branch won't be affected. So this is continuous integration. Then what is continuous deployment? What is continuous deployment or delivery, right? So if you come here to the pipelines, see Databricks CICD repo. See this, you can see the name display data. Like this is what, like display data is what we have created and merged into the main branch. The moment we merged into the main branch, this Azure pipeline, see this continuous deployment pipeline triggered automatically, and it has made the changes, like deployed the changes. Whatever the in development main branch, it has deployed to the staging area, and now it is deploying into the production. See, you can see deploying to the prod. So this all actually, I haven't triggered it anything. It was completely automated. So it's a completely automated CICD Databricks notebooks. Completed. So all the changes that we have made in development has been automatically deployed to staging workspace and also production workspace. So I came to see this is actually previously opened the data. We automatically refreshed and we got this data also. So just refreshed. See, we got this is in production, right? You can see, this is product. See, product catalog. In this we got the here changes. So this is continuous deployment. This is how actually CICD works in real world also. So if you are interested to learn how this CICD, how to develop this CICD and how to work with the YAML files, you just like and subscribe and comment below. So next videos, I will tell you how to write the code, how to from scratch everything. I will be explaining how I build this, and also I will definitely refer the resources that I have used to develop this, right? So I'm also learning with you all. So whatever I learn, I'm happy to share with you all. So thank you for watching till here. Like if you have if you need any, if you want me to explain some more any extra details or extra topics, you can just mention the comments. We'll be picking that in my next video. Thank you very much.